Oreos Lifestyle here. As promised, today we'll be attempting the Squid Game Honeycomb Candies game. The loser gets to clean the house alone for the next month. Let's get started and see who will be taking a break from cleaning the house for a month. We hope you will enjoy this video, and if you do, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. Let's get started.
Wherever we go, we'll always know. From the highest mountain to the bottom of the ocean, yeah. Our song is running like a river. Let the current take us there. We got the melody to set us free, singing destiny. We got the melody to set us free, singing destiny. Our hearts are like stars, guiding us through the dark. We've got the melody to set us free, singing destiny. We've got the melody to set us free, singing destiny.
Thank you for watching this video. We hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe so you won't miss any of our upcoming exciting lifestyle videos. Do let us know what you think of this video and what kind of videos you'd love to see in the future. Bye for now. See you in the next one. Peace.